Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are Rich and Leo Modelling. We are going to just do a quick review on the MisterCraft's hobby kit of the Harrier GR7, and it's in 1/72 scale. So here's the box. Nice piece of artwork, a bit of retro artwork with the Sea King in the back, and then you've got one of your paint schemes there on the back, on the sides, and this one was £11, so £11 from Hobbycraft, sorry. So let's have a look inside the box. Get the tape off and see what's inside. So here we go. So we've got the manual with a nice colour picture of the Harrier. It's the same one as it's on the top of the box. On the instructions, we've got, these are slightly bigger instructions, so you've got your sprues and your glass, where everything is. You've got two sets of wings for some reason, I don't know why. Maybe for two different versions, we'll find that out in a minute. So let's have a look at the first page. So the first page, we've got this seat, ejector seat, and cockpit with the landing gear as well to build. Then obviously step 2 is putting it all together, and then the exhausts for the engines for the vertical takeoff, and then we've got the wings to be put on. So it is actually saying to use the wings with these two bits on. I don't know why they've given us two sets of wings though, so maybe it's for a different option. And then we've got have a look then. So the last page, all the weaponry, all the missiles and bombs and extra fuel tanks. Let's show you how to put them together here. So yeah, all in all, this is the drawings look quite promising. They give you plenty of instructions within the drawings, which I like. Some kits don't give you that option. Let's just turn it on and have a look quickly. So yeah, it does say here some parts will not be used. So you can have the landing gear up or down, depending on what you want. I think I'm going to have mine down. Oh, and yeah, so you can have it up or down, which is cool. And then what's on the back? Let's have a look at the back. So okay, so we've got quite a few colour schemes and different decal schemes. So we've got all of those, which is cool. 4 different schemes. So we'll have a look at the kit itself then, shall we? So you have got your canopy. It's already cut off the sprue. I'm going to leave it in there because I don't want to get it dirty. So this one is okay. So this is slightly different to this one. This is quite almost see-through. It's not a great mould, to be fair, if I'm honest. There's quite a lot of imperfections in the casting. There's quite a lot of flashing around the wheels, and the detailing isn't great, to be fair. To be fair, the £4 Academy one has got a lot more detail and a lot less here. Some injection moulds on the underside of the wings. They're going to need filling. I'm not too keen on those, so let's have a look at these ones. So these ones aren't as bad. They're not 100% great. As you can see, there's a few defects there, a couple of there. I mean, it was £11, so you can't really complain. They're a lot thicker though. The actual wings are very, very thick. But yeah, I mean, we'll see where we go. There's still a bit of flashing on it, but a lot less than the others. So you can see those compared to those, and the thickness as well. I don't know if you can see the thickness, difference in thickness. These ones are a lot thicker, almost 3 times as thick to these ones. But some of those parts we are going to have to use. So again, with the actual fuselage, there's a hell of a lot of flashing around there. I think this is going to need quite a bit of filler, cleaning out. I've never used one of these kits before, but I thought I'd give it a go. I like the Harrier, I always have loved the Harrier. But we'll see where we go with it. The inside, it's almost see-through. They've used that little of plastic. But the decals look good. I mean, the proof will be in the actual using of them. But the actual decals don't actually look too bad. So you've got 2 different types of tail. You've even got one for the glass, cockpit glass, which is cool. I've not seen that before. We've got the so if we can see this close up. We've got quite a lot for the small size of kit. All different variations of the kit. And then you've got down here the cockpit glass one for the Harrier, which is quite cool. But yeah, so this is the review for the Harrier. I'm not 100% sold on this one, but we will see. What it might go together really nicely. It might be an absolute nightmare, but we shall see. It was, again, like I say, £11. And yeah, I thought I'd do a little review on this one, and then what we'll do is we'll publish the reviews, and then we'll do a build video, and then we will do a review, an end review of what we actually thought of the kit once we built it. So stay tuned for this one. Will be a 3-parter, I expect. So hopefully you enjoy the videos and you follow us through with this build. So thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you again on the next one. Happy modelling.